we started using Ultra-Aire, and initially it was for service customers in the uptown area of New Orleans. That was our first thought when we developed the need for Ultra-Aire, was how do we remove moisture from some of these older uptown homes, all of them famous for, as you were talking about earlier, for the leather shoe issue. My shoes are green, time for a new pair. And we saw that in uptown New Orleans over and over again. And had done things in the early days different ways to try to increase the runtime of the air conditioning units without overcooling the space. And those were primitive efforts by Ultra-Aire standards of trying to get a higher latent capacity, a decreased sensible capacity in our systems. What Ultra-Aire allowed us to do was to normal size, go with a standard, typically correctly sized air conditioning unit in an older uptown house with terrible moisture issues because of no vapor barriers and an off the ground structure, and aim the weapon of dehumidification square at the target of removing moisture and only removing moisture. And that's what the Ultra-Aire did. It solved problems in those uptown homes every time we tried it. And that instilled the desire to find other applications. This is an animal that works good. It's a solid piece of equipment. We've never had any issues. The reliability has been really good. Service calls on an Ultra-Aire for almost all practical purposes don't exist for us.